Identify the products A and B in the following reaction. First one, since alpha hydrogens are there with 3 moles of formaldehyde, this is crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol condensation reaction. Second one, after the involvement of 3 alpha hydrogens, we will get the product without any alpha hydrogen. Under these conditions, again it is reacted with another formaldehyde, then this is crossed Kenny-Jaros reaction. So now first of all, display all 3 alpha hydrogens. Each alpha hydrogen undergoes cross aldol condensation with formaldehyde. At this time what happens? You cut the alpha hydrogen migrated to oxygen, you cut the CO pi bond, and alpha carbon get connected to carbonyl carbon. So that carbonyl carbon will become CH2OH. In the same manner, each alpha hydrogen is migrated to oxygen of formaldehyde. This is the alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon, now new bond, double bond O will become single bond OH. At this carbon 2 hydrogens are present. In the same manner, alpha carbon connected to 2 more CH2OH groups. So this is the compound A formed as an intermediate. So this compound is formed due to prolonged crossed aldol condensation. One molecule of acetaldehyde having 3 alpha hydrogens. So 3 alpha hydrogens involved in the cross condensation with 3 formaldehyde molecules in the presence of base to give the aldehyde without alpha hydrogen. After the formation of this type of aldehyde, again this is subjected to Kenny-Jaros reaction with another formaldehyde in the presence of concentrated alkali. At this time, this is crossed Kenny-Jaros reaction. In between these two, one which is having less steric hindrance will undergo oxidation. So formaldehyde prefers to undergo oxidation. Just you cut the CH bond and put O minus. That's all. So formaldehyde prefers to undergo oxidation, whereas other aldehyde with more steric hindrance prefers to undergo reduction. So both oxidation and reduction both are taking place. At this time, C double bond O will become single bond OH. Already H is there and one more H attached newly. Here CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. So in this molecule, around this carbon, there are 4 CH2OH groups that can be written as C, CH2OH, 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 like swastik. This is Tollens reaction. This is the product B. This is the product B. This is product A.